So here we have a 3D printer. Got some models here. It's not being used. We can use this to make some parts for face shields.
Welcome to another episode of Albie Will Build. This episode is about 3D printing face shield brackets for medical workers here in San Diego. I don't know how it happened, but this morning I was busy working and I just clicked on a YouTube video and it was talking about someone on the East Coast basically 3D printing these brackets. And I looked into it and they said that people were sending them in from all over the country or the East Coast. So I looked up what was happening here locally, and there was a group of people that were doing the same thing. So sent an email, they sent me the part, and I've got a 3D printer that I don't use as much as I should, and basically got busy, got to work, and got our first one printed. And as of right now, there are 4 printing right here in the garage. Hopefully we'll have maybe 20 of them to deliver by the end of the week, I'm hoping. Maybe a few more. We'll see. I really want to thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe. Albie Will Build.